What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing a window insert. Is that what's the
I think so. Light up logo window insert.
The way that this came about is Ryan actually lent the guy his car to
prototype these.
Prototype it, yeah.
We got the first set.
So we're going to install these. It's going to be pretty sick. By the way, this is Steven and John. These guys are from the Car Foolery YouTube channel. I'll make sure to link them down below.
And what this is going to look like is this is going to go in the rear quarter window. Thanks, John.
This is a team effort. Team effort, yeah. And that's super sick. There's also different colors. You can get them custom designed to your spec, but stock is like a teal white color.
And yeah, we're really excited to put them in. And
let's get started.
So as you can see, you buy them in a set. And then what it's going to do, it's going to just slip into the plastic trim. We're gonna have to remove these stickers because that's where the logo is gonna be, and it is gonna be dope. So the way I want these to be wired in is we're gonna pull a ton of the plastic trim out of the car, so that way we can run wiring, hidden out of the way. And then I think we're going to wire in the positive to be connected to the dimmer switch on the dash next to the instrument cluster, because that's a really easy power source to get to that is switched power. And also when you turn on your running lights or your headlights, that will make these turn on. So that's the plan. If this looks weird, it's because it has a protective film still on it. So don't think that these look all crappy, because that's just a protective film.
Shouldn't we start off by disconnecting the battery?
Fuck no. You might want to, but we're not gonna do that though.
All right, you're gonna be the first one to touch the electrical stuff, because when we forget to disconnect the battery, you're getting shocked.
Sounds good to me. Didn't even break it, because I'm the interior master. Don't scratch the paint.
Oh, I won't. So Ryan, where are we at?
The seat's out. When we're about to pop this bad boy. Hey. Well, maybe that'll just sit there because it's got the stupid security alarm switch on it.
Oh, that's actually nice, so it doesn't get stolen.
It doesn't work.
Oh.
it's just there. That's why I'm paying to get it taken out, because it doesn't do anything. The wiring will connect into the dimmer switch, because that is a switched power source. And then it'll, run behind this panel down to this corner. And then the wiring will run
all
here,
the way down.
And then up this panel. And then we'll have it connect somewhere around here. And then we'll tee off the wiring and go behind that back panel to the other side. And yeah, it's not even gonna have its own toggle switch. It's just whenever the running lights are on or the headlights, it'll be on. Which might be illegal in your part of the country, but we don't fucking care about where you live.
Yeah, we don't really have to. Actually, here in Oregon, the laws really aren't that stringent with cars, at least from my experience. Even having a super loud exhaust, I've been harassed, but never been ticketed or anything. This
is the dimmer switch. I pulled it off, and so we're just going to take a voltmeter and figure out which one of these is the 12 volt source, and tee off of it, and that's going to go to our thing. So that way, when you turn the car off and stuff, you won't have like a draw on your battery or anything, and it won't have to be like its own switch on the dash. I don't like having too many switches on stuff. I just want one switch for fog lights that I don't own, and that's it. So
you will never own them.
I will. They're getting expensiver, so it's harder to own them, but I will one day. And this will be the part where we learn
how she holds in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is going to be held in place by the old stuff. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I think it literally just pops in.
That's sweet.
Yeah, because he makes it that accurately to where it literally just pops in.
And it just holds in place.
And just friction holds itself.
The fitment is super on point, actually.
Oh, dude, this guy's fitment quality is unreal.
Yeah.
So, we'll pull the stickers off in a second, but let me plug in the power.
Oh, dude.
So that'll be really cool.
Yeah.
Cruising down, racing Mustang GTs, losing super bad in my automatic non-turbo 91 MR2. But the ladies...
Well, you're going to look really stylish.
The ladies will still not look at me because...
But you're going to have all the dudes hitting you up.
But all the dudes will be sliding up in my DMs, and that's gonna make me feel good at night.
Ryan, have you thought about like carpet cleaning your car?
Do you want to do a video of me literally detailing the interior of this car back to factory perfection?
So I actually, in my box or in my garage, I have a brand new carpet steamer at my house.
I have a used, slightly broken one, but yours sounds a little bit better.
I think so. It's brand new. It's and it works. So
I stole mine from John.
Oh, I stole mine from my brother.
Hey, you know, Daniel, the more we learn about each other, the more we find out we have a lot in common.
We both like shit boxes.
We both love shitty Camrys. Backwards Camrys for life.
That's exactly what they are.
Or in your case, backwards Accord. What does red mean?
It means it's
Christmas?
Power. Yeah. So there's power in both.
T into one of them. Got it.
Doesn't matter which one. Oh.
I doubt that's right, but we're going to tee off of this one. And so at the end of the video, I'll either tell you everything works perfectly, or I'll tell you that the car burned down, and then you'll know whether you should use the top one or the side one when you do it on your SW20. And when we plug this back in,
Let's see if the lights still work.
yep.
They do. All right, well, guys, we got the inserts all wired up. They look freaking sweet.
Then you want to flip that switch?
Yeah, so flip the switch, and then boom, the lights turn on. Actually, let me show you guys this one over here. A lot more clearer. What do you think, Ryan?
I think they're really kick-ass. I'm really happy.
They are. I mean, the wiring itself is simple. Obviously, we have to put everything back.
Super simple wiring.
But the other thing is the fitment is like really good.
Leaves literally nothing to be desired with the fitment. You don't have to modify anything. They just literally snap into place.
Yeah, so we're going to quickly, I guess, throw everything back together. Should be straightforward. If there's any big hiccups, we'll mention that along the way, and then we'll show you the finished product. So just in case you were wondering how we ran the wiring, so we connected it up to the switch here, brought the positive down here, and then over here, we put a local ground. We then got the wiring running along there. And we did the same thing over there. So local ground, and then the positive wiring is all connected together. So nice and simple. So I figured actually putting the window panel, or yeah, the panel that goes around the window would be very helpful. So we'll show you guys that. So that went in pretty smooth, and then now you'll just slip the LED strip back into the panel, right?
Yep. And then you do it with the LEDs facing toward the back side of it. Yep, that's it. It's popped into place.
Well, guys, we got the window inserts installed. They look pretty damn cool if you ask me. It also matches the fact that Ryan has LED bulbs in there for his dash. So that looks super cool. How do you feel about it?
It really wasn't that much work in the grand scheme of things. I mean, we spent a lot of time cleaning things, but it wasn't bad at all. And it wired in super simple. So I think it looks really cool.
Thanks, Ryan, for letting us follow along and see how you install these.
Thanks for letting me work with you again. I had a good time. We always have a good time when we hang out and do a video.
We do, and then we'll probably do another video. Hopefully this coming season. We still have to race each other because he has his turbo MR2, and obviously I have the supercharged V6 one. He thinks he can beat me, and he might be able to. Your car's more sorted than mine is, so
it's gonna come down to who has the better tires. That's what I think it's gonna come down to.
But you have already SW20s. I have 595s. I guess we'll see. So stick around for that. That'll be either probably on his channel, maybe on mine. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.